ahead and pin this post as always. Good morning, Facebook. Good morning, Instagram. So as you know, today's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. So I went ahead and stayed in a little bit longer and just kind of relaxed and uploaded all my videos to YouTube. Yeah, all the videos that I have so far uploaded to YouTube. So if you're new to me, my name is Donata Joseph, your virtual skin therapist, here to talk to you about all things mind, body, skin, and hair. And today I'm going to be doing the Claws Detox drink. I'm going to keep it short. It's Mother's Day. We all got stuff to do. I know a lot of you will watch on the replay, so I'm okay with just having just a few people. Those that are on, if you have any questions, go ahead and ask me. Hey, love. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. So let's make this drink so we could get on with our Mother's Day celebration. So I'm going to make the Claws drink. Claws, C-L-A-W-S-E. You want to jump on, Kasu? Wait. Send a request to be in your live. 1 second. Give me 1 second. So, let's do the Claws drink.
Where's the agave?
The agave is done. Hey, hon, how are you? So, you're on my live stream, Cassandra.
Hey, Cassandra.
Hey.
Hi, to Cassandra.
Hi, dude.
Wait, I didn't get that nice introduction like that.
So, Cassandra, unless you're going to talk about the Claws drink, I'm going to have to log you off.
Please log me off.
Okay, just log off. Happy Mother's Day. So we have C for, okay, awesome. We have C for cayenne pepper, which helps with circulation. We have half a lemon, which helps with exfoliation of your internal organs and tissues. We have A, that's next, for apple cider vinegar. You know the apple cider vinegar helps with stimulation. Guys, again, I apologize for any extra noise that you hear in the background. My kids are making breakfast for Mother's Day, but I didn't want to wait any longer to go live because I need to drink my drink before I eat my food. So, L for lemon for exfoliation. A for apple cider vinegar. Remember, you always want to have your drink 30 minutes before brushing your teeth, which most of you guys got your day started already. I am very late on getting my day started. So, apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon. Water, about 8 ounces of water. Honey or agave for sweetener. Can I have the honey, babe? So this drink I'm making for my daughter. The other one already went to work, so she missed out on her detox drink. You guys know, because my drink is tailored to parasites, that I don't add the honey in mine, but you can add the honey in yours. It will help with the flavor, and honey has a lot of benefits. So if you don't have to skip out on it, use it. And then E for extra virgin olive oil, which helps with smooth elimination. You don't want to be struggling doing your stool, during the process of passing your stool. So 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And this is the basic Claws drink. C for cayenne pepper, L for lemon, A for apple cider vinegar, W for water, S for sweetener, E for extra virgin olive oil. For my kids, there's times that I will add turmeric. So I'm going to add some turmeric in here. And for myself too. So I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric, and I always do about 1/4 tablespoon. So whenever you see the drink is yellow, that's what I'm adding to the drink. Whenever you see it's like this, you know I've added turmeric. And guys, as I always say, be creative with your detox drink. If you notice you have parasites, yes, Cassandra, you need to start this detox drink, and you want to do it for a minimum of 3 weeks. This drink is so amazing. My skin is better. My health is better. I feel good. As a matter of fact, guys, I've been on this drink for 4 weeks. Ah, yes, 4 weeks. And I've lost some inches. Other customers of mine that's on this drink has lost weight. I've actually just lost some inches. So I have some other health issues that's going on that's causing me not to shed more, which is okay because I'm not on this journey to lose weight. I'm on this journey to feel good. And I feel good. Now, what I could tell you, Kasu, when you first start, thank you. When you first start this detox journey, I'm going to tell you, you may be very tired at the beginning. So if you work during the week and your weekends are off, start on a Friday. So if you have to take extra naps during the day on Saturday and Sunday, you can allow yourself time to rejuvenate. You have to. If you become tired, please listen to your body and take a few naps. Don't push and drink soda. Don't push and drink coffee. Don't get a Red Bull to make your body energized while you're doing this detox drink. Take time to nap. I have another customer, actually my assistant, Tasha, I'm going to answer your question in just a second. My assistant, she noticed that while she was on a detox drink the first week, her body told her to go to bed at 6 o'clock. She went to bed at 6 o'clock in the afternoon. She slept all the way to the next morning. And I'm glad she listened to her body and she allowed her body to rest. Because what happens is when your body is full of toxins, it takes a lot of energy to drain the toxins out of your system. So that's why you become exhausted and overly tired, because your body's doing all this work to pull the toxins out. So that's why you need to give your body time to rejuvenate and relax and just take a whole little break. I slept for almost half a day when I started at the beginning, because with me, not only was I exhausted, but I came down with flu-like symptoms, which is normal also. I had the chills, I had stuffy nose, runny nose, I had to blow my nose a lot. So I almost thought I had a cold until I researched that that's part of the symptoms. Another symptom that you may have, I'm letting you know ahead of time, so when it happens, you're not alarmed. You may break out and you may have headaches. Kasu with Sabrina, she had headaches and she ended up stopping her detox because she didn't like how her body was detoxing. I told her she needs to go back on it and allow the toxins to get out the body. Another thing, make sure you're drinking a lot of water. You want to be sure that your body's releasing all those toxins. So if you struggle with energy, this is an amazing thing to drink, because after a while you're going to feel energy, you're going to feel good, you're going to have more time to take care of Michelle. Trust me, Cassandra, you definitely want to do this. And again, give yourself a minimum of 3 weeks. Going to Facebook, Tasha, how do you know you have parasites? Check your stool. So while you're doing this detox journey, some people aren't comfortable with talking about what their stool looks like and how to check their stool. I tell all my customers and all those that are on the detox drink, get used to checking your stool every day. You want to see what your stool looks like. You want to see if you have mucus in your stool. You want to be sure that you don't have any beige or white things in your stool. That's how you could tell if you have parasites. Oh, my breakfast is looking really nice.
Can I show them?
Yes, you could show the breakfast tomorrow. Give me 1 second. So the kids made breakfast for me, and they made white eggs with pancakes, and they made a healthy syrup using agave.
Hey, or Ariana.
Okay, I'm sorry. Damar made the pancakes. And Ariana made the...
I forgot that was there.
So these are two of my babies. I'm sorry, I didn't get
The syrup is not on there yet.
The syrup is not on there yet, but she makes the syrup using agave and honey and fruits.
Oh.
So we don't use...
I put the fruits on there.
I know. I'm talking about the syrup, babe. You want to show them the syrup real quick?
Yeah, that thing was bubbling. Yeah.
So this is how she makes the syrup. Let's see if
drop it,
Facebook
please.
could see. First of all, I'm going to tell you that you didn't make enough. But what she does,
I'm
she
not
puts
like
honey and agave with the fruits. So strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries.
and raspberries.
So you could use any of the berries in the agave or honey, and it makes its own syrup, and you can pour it over the pancake, which makes it really yummy. So if you're trying to cut down sugar, unhealthy sugar, like syrup, and you use, you know, agave or honey to make your syrup, it's really yummy. So back to you, Tasha. Yes, you want to check your stool. If you see anything white in there, if you look very carefully, sometimes I have my light on with the phone to check my stool. I get in there and I look. And you'll see different things. I'm telling you, when you start detoxing, you'll start noticing some stuff in your stool and you're like, okay, I didn't know where all this crap was coming from. So definitely check your stool every day. Every day, check your stool. Now, I can tell you, not every time, not everyone can see their parasites. Some parasites you cannot see because they're so microscopic. You could only see under a microscope. But at the end of the day, whether you have parasites or not, your body is still detoxing. And that's the most important thing. You want to release your body of all the toxins. We get toxins through food. We get toxins through the environment. We get toxins just stepping outside. There's so many ways we get toxins. We breathe in toxins. Toxins go through our skin, through our pores, through our hair. If you're walking on the floor, you're picking up toxins. So there's so many ways to absorb toxins through your body that you want to. Even if you feel amazing, you still want to detox your body at least once to twice a year and get rid of any excess toxins in your body. Good morning, Patricia. Yes. So Tasha, I hope I answered that question for you. Let me go back to Instagram. Michelle has mucus in her. She has mucus where, Cassandra? I don't know if you're trying to say she has mucus in her ears or if she has mucus somewhere else. Just type where she has the mucus and let me know. And is it just she just has mucus or does she have a cold? So guys, I went ahead and did the detox drink. After answering this last question, she has mucus in her stool. And she's like 2, right? I think Michelle is 2. I may have to go offline and research that because I wouldn't understand. One thing to have, if you have parasites, you will have mucus in your stool. But I can't imagine her being so young to have parasites. So what I would tell you is to take a good look at her stool, Cassandra, and make sure you don't see any stuff in there. I don't remember her going overseas or anything like that, because definitely overseas, it's very easy to pick up parasites easier. But walking barefooted, the food we eat, if you're playing with animals and dogs and you're picking up feces, there's so many ways that it's very easy to pick up parasites. So it's not as hard as people think. All right, guys, so I'm going to close up this session today. I'm very glad that I was able to answer a few questions. Sorry I took so long to jump on live, but I just really wanted to enjoy my morning off and not have to wake up too early. Turn that off. Not have to wake up too early for Mother's Day. So you guys, all those that are mom, happy Mother's Day. Enjoy your day. I'm going to enjoy my day. And don't forget, tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we're doing Detox the Hair Part 1. Next Monday, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, we're doing Detox the Hair Part 2. And that will be the end of my Spring Detox 8-week series. If you're watching my personal journey of detoxing, you can watch all my previous live streams, which again, guys, I'm always trying to share something new with you guys on my live streams. So I guarantee you're going to learn something new every video that you haven't already learned. And I'm already scheduled up to day 25 on YouTube. So my YouTube is called Donata Skinfood. And you can subscribe to my emails to find out what's going on via email. Today, for those that are like Donata Skinfood and want to stock up on your products, I'm doing a 20% off Mother's Day sale. The Mother's Day code is MOTHER20, and the minimum purchase is $50. So for all of those that want to buy Donata Skinfood and treat yourself for Mother's Day, I'm doing a sale to 11:59 p.m. tonight for Mother's Day. So catch that sale while you can. You guys know I don't do sales often at all. So catch your 20% off while you can. Thank you guys again. Happy Mother's Day. Lots of love to all of you guys. I don't have a mom, but I thank God and I appreciate all of you guys. And I definitely wanted to share Mother's Day with you. Love you guys. Bye.